Hello, Kipsters. This is Miss Sanders, and welcome to Second Grade Fluency, Video 5. Today, we are reading a passage for 1 minute to track how many words we read and accurate reading rate percentage. There are 5 easy steps you must do when reading fluency. Here's an anchor chart to help you remember. Step 1. Set a timer. Use any device in your home to set a timer for 1 minute. Step 2. Read a passage. Choose a passage from your weekly overview that was provided for you with each day of the week. Today is Monday, April 13th. I'm going to click on today's passage. It will appear. We are reading a passage titled Soccer. Step 3. Count how many words read in 1 minute. At the end of each line in your passage, it tells you how many words were read. For example, if you read the first paragraph from soccer to each, that means you would have read 43 words in 1 minute. Step 4. Receive feedback. An adult should give you feedback on how you did. Step 5. Reread the passage. You will reread the passage after giving feedback, thinking about what you need to do better, and pushing yourself to read more words than you read the first time. Kipsters, remember, pace yourself, read smoothly, and read with expression, and pay attention to punctuation. I have Naya here, and she is going to read the passage. Naya, remember, pace yourself. That means don't read too fast or too slow. Read smoothly. That means don't read word by word. And read with expression and pay attention to punctuation. If you see an exclamation mark, you know to read with excitement. And if you see a period, you're going to pause, take a breath, then continue. Let's get started. Are you ready?
Yes.
Go.
Soccer is a great sport that's been around for a long time. Soccer is played with a ball on a large field. There is a goal with a net at each end of the field. There are 2 teams with 11 players each. During the game, each team tries to put the ball into the other team's net. Each time a team puts the ball into the net, it scores 1 place. The team that has scored the most place at the end of the match wins.
Stop. Okay. All right. So you stopped at wins. So that means you read 87 words in 1 minute. So I'm going to write right here where it says WPM for words per minute. You read 87 words in 1 minute. Now, when you were reading, you made 2 errors. The first error you made was here. Naya, what's this word?
On.
On. Naya, when you read that word, you said all. So the second time we read, make sure you say on. Got it?
Got it.
What is that word?
On.
On. All right. Naya, you also made a mistake here. What is this word?
Place.
Oh, Naya, that word is points. What's that word?
Points.
Does this make sense? The team has scored the most place at the end of the match wins. Does that make sense?
No.
No. So the team that scores the most points at the end of the match wins. Does that one make sense?
Yes.
Yes. So that word is points. What's that word?
Points.
All right. When we read a second time, make sure you say on and points. So you made 2 errors. You read 87 words, 2 errors. That means you got 85 words correct, because 87 minus 2 equals 85. And now I need to get my accurate reading rate percentage. At the bottom of your screen, it tells you how to calculate it. So you have words per minute divided by words correct per minute divided by words per minute times 100. I'm going to go to my calculator. The words correct per minute was 85 divided by 87 for the words read per minute equals 0.97 times 100 equals 97%. Naya read at a 97% reading rate. Good job. The second time we read, we're going to think about our fluency and we're going to push to read more words. Good luck, friends.